Summertime is around the corner, and you may be thinking that now's a great time to add that pool or outdoor kitchen that you've always wanted. But before you take that plunge, we should tell you about the 2023 Remodeling Impact Report. Was created by the National Association of Realtors and the National Association of Landscape Professionals. The report analyzes several factors, but for the purpose of this video, let's look at the most popular South Florida outdoor projects. Adding a pool. The cost of adding a pool, based on this report, is about $90,000. The return on the investment of that is only 56%. So if you're considering adding a pool, keep in mind that you'll get a little more than half of your money back at the resale of the property. If you're looking for your biggest bang for your buck and considering selling your property, you're going to want to seriously consider your return on your investment. Here are the best outdoor items that are going to give you the best return on the cost of your investment. Based on the report, trimming back trees, trimming back hedges, adding mulch, and some freshly planted flowers or shrubs can return as much as 2 times the cost of the investment. So in summary, making a capital improvement like a pool or outdoor kitchen or exterior lighting is really just a matter of a personal preference and adding to your personal lifestyle and joy. It's not really an investment in terms of how you're going to get your cash return, because it's simply not going to be a good cash return investment. For more information or to get a copy of this full report, feel free to click on the link below and fill out your contact information form, and we'll be happy to get back in touch with you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day.